Alright, so I'm finally doing a tutorial on how to mask clips on World War II. You realistically could do this on any game, it just wouldn't look as good because of the way the feed is. And before we start, I'm just going to say this is how I do it. This isn't the perfect way, everyone has a different way, I'm sure, but this is how I do it. So, anyway, 3 on screen here, and then there's a triple that he hits, but it's a 5 on. So, how you would go about doing this would be you would try to find a dark area of the video. Something like this would work, and or this is what I'm going to use right here. So I need this first kill he gets because it would be the top one on the feed if he actually got the 6 on, if the game worked like that. So in Vegas at least, and you can do this in After Effects the same exact way, you're going to make sure your quality is full in Vegas, best full. You're going to go to the floppy disk icon here to save a screenshot. Save it wherever you want. It'll auto import into here. You're going to make a new track, and then you're going to drag the image. Now in After Effects, you would either just make it a freeze frame and cut it where you want it and how long you want it to be, or some other means of getting just a picture file on the thing. So he shoots here, it's a triple, the feed doesn't pop up till here, so we're not going to put that clip until the feed would pop up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into pan crop, we're going to enable masking, we're going to zoom in so that it's an easier way to see exactly what we want to get. You're going to either do it by hand, or I prefer the rectangle tool because it's more precise. You're going to go in here, you're going to grab just the name, the gun, and the other name. I like to put a little bit of a feather type of both on 2, just so it's not harsh edges. And you're gonna set this track overlay on the left side here to lighten. And now we're also gonna go back in and go to position, and you're gonna move it just until it's above at the same spacing. So something like that looks right to me. You can tweak with it as much as you want, however precise you want it to be. The reason you get a screenshot on a dark area is because then you can see the enemy name clearer when you put it on lighten. Otherwise it's just going to be the name and the gun, which is fine if you can't get a dark area of a map. Like, you can't really even see it here because of how light it is, but you can see that it's up there. And then the way World War II works, you just cut it off whenever you want it to disappear, because that's how the feed fades in the game. So now we've gone from a 5 on instead of a 6 on to a masked 6 on. It's easy just like that. So hope this helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to message me later.